Although Aeva Technologies has fallen into the red, it's far from dead. Bullish sentiment for the long road to widespread commercialization cruises along. During Aeva Day, where the company showcased its perception platform and its potential across multiple industries, it announced notable progress in its commercial momentum, including a collaboration with LG Innotek to accelerate expansion of its perception platform across automotive, robotics, and consumer applications. The collaboration agreement with the electronics manufacturing affiliate of South Korea's LG Group involves an investment by LG Innotek of up to $50 million in Aeva, comprising an anticipated equity stake, non-dilutive investment for new product development, and capital investments to bring production capacity online for Aeva's next-generation products. This collaboration will enable Aeva to accelerate the commercialization of its breakthrough frequency-modulated continuous wave FMCW perception platform across industries like automotive, industrial automation, robotics, and consumer devices. Aeva's perception platform consists of its FMCW LiDAR-on-chip sensor, custom processing system-on-chip, and perception software. The collaboration will advance the technology's adoption in automotive and expand to additional sectors. In the automotive sector, LG Innotek will manufacture and supply Aeva's Aeva Atlas Ultra 4D LiDAR sensor, including for a previously announced development program with a top 10 global passenger vehicle manufacturer. LG Innotek's CEO, Hyuk-Soo Moon, stated that the ultimate goal of this partnership is for LG Innotek and Aeva to grow together as key players leading the next-generation LiDAR market through a long-term technology partnership. Aeva's co-founder and CEO, Sarush Salian, emphasized that the collaboration underscores the growing recognition of FMCW as the future of sensing and perception technology. Together, they see a tremendous opportunity to bring Aeva's perception platform to various applications where machines need to perceive and understand their surroundings. The partnership will also explore new product opportunities in emerging consumer applications, such as smartphones, tablets, AR/VR headsets, smart appliances, and home robotics. Aeva has also partnered with Bendix Commercial Vehicle Systems to bring 4D LiDAR to L2+ collision mitigation for high-volume markets. The goal is to develop next-generation active safety and collision mitigation solutions for Class 8 trucks and beyond, mainly by integrating Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology and perception software into Bendix's future active safety systems, enabling advanced SAE Level 2+ safety capabilities. This technology is designed to address critical use cases such as pedestrian automatic emergency braking and nighttime collision mitigation, where current radar and camera-based systems face limitations. The commercial vehicle ADAS market in North America represents a significant opportunity for active safety innovation, with approximately 300,000 new trucks sold annually. Bendix's flagship ADAS system, Bendix Fusion, is already the market leader in collision mitigation and active safety solutions, available on most major Class 8 OEM platforms. By combining their technology with Bendix's market-leading active safety platform, Aeva aims to deliver safer and more reliable solutions that can help prevent collisions and save lives. It's a similar story to D2 Traffic Technology selecting Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology to enhance its portfolio of smart traffic solutions for intersections, highways, and urban corridors. D2 plans to integrate Aeva's sensors into its next-generation traffic platforms, delivering richer and more precise data for intelligent transportation infrastructure. This technology enables smarter intersection control, more accurate vehicle counting, better pedestrian safety, and real-time insights for operators. Aeva's 4D LiDAR sensors provide direct velocity measurements for every point in the scene, allowing D2's platforms to distinguish between static and moving objects, track vulnerable road users, and proactively respond to changing traffic patterns. This builds on Aeva already deploying its 4D LiDAR at Tampa International Airport in partnership with Soterion AI. This initiative aims to optimize airport operations, enhance public safety and security, and improve the passenger travel experience. The deployment is part of Soterion AI's broader mission to bring advanced spatial intelligence to major U.S. airports and transit hubs using LiDAR technology. Aeva's LiDAR sensors will capture rich real-time data and long-range perception across various critical use cases, enabling a proactive, data-driven approach to operations and security. According to Patrick Blattner, CEO and co-founder of Soterion AI, combining Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology with their leading spatial intelligence platform delivers insights to infrastructure operators that weren't possible before. This allows airport stakeholders to make faster, smarter decisions. The technology will support several key functions at the airport, including intelligent infrastructure management, passenger monitoring and security, and airside and tarmac operations. Specifically, it will assist in monitoring airport infrastructure safety, detecting unauthorized access, and tracking vehicle and pedestrian movement. The system will also enhance passenger safety by monitoring crowds and detecting potential hazards. James Byun, Managing Director of Business Development at Aeva, highlighted that this deployment marks a milestone in Aeva's growth in infrastructure and transportation markets. Aeva's 4D LiDAR technology has previously been deployed at other major airports, including John F. Kennedy International Airport's new Terminal 1, demonstrating its ability to deliver meaningful operational value. The partnership between Aeva and Soterion AI showcases the potential of LiDAR technology in improving airport safety, efficiency, and passenger experience. By providing real-time data and insights, airports can make informed decisions, reduce congestion, and enhance overall operations. In the area of autonomous vehicles, Aeva is making significant strides in scaling up its production of 4D LiDAR sensors. With plans to establish new production lines in North America capable of producing up to 200,000 units annually in order to meet growing demand for high-resolution, long-range sensors crucial for autonomous navigation. This development comes on the heels of Aeva's strengthened partnership with Daimler Truck North America, a major player in the truck manufacturing industry. The increased production capacity will enable Aeva to supply its 4D LiDAR technology to multiple customers, including Daimler Truck, for the production of advanced sensing systems in autonomous vehicle applications. Notably, Aeva's technology has already been integrated into the Freightliner Cascadia trucks, which are operating on roads in Texas as part of Torque Robotics' autonomous testing fleet. Torque Robotics is Daimler's self-driving trucking division, and Aeva serves as the sole provider of its 4D LiDAR sensors. Since Aeva's 4D LiDAR uses an FMCW approach, it can detect both the velocity and position of objects around a vehicle at highway speeds. With the production ramp-up expected to start in late 2026 and continue into 2027, Aeva is revving up to play a significant role in the autonomous vehicle industry and beyond.